Starting around 17 walk 2024, Bitgert explicitly is exchanging at $1,000 in term of its oyster rate with the value change of 138% in kind of most recent 60 minutes. Beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Brise generally has a really complete market cap of $110,489,108 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,572,895 in a, for the most part, large manner. This makes Bitgert Brise really positioning at 454 in the digital currency market in a sort of significant manner. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Bitgert cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Bitgert be truly worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Is Bitgert a kind of wise speculation or especially worth purchasing in 2024, which fundamentally is very huge? Will Brise cost most certainly outperform its untouched all things considered, high in a truly significant way? These in a real sense are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future in an especially significant manner. Bitgert Brise value expectation 2024 as per the Bitgert figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Brise cost truly is supposed to especially cross a normal value level of $0.38, the normal pretty least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to basically be $0.37 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Brise can explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest value level of $0.44 in a sort of large manner. Brise value figure walk 2024. Concerning walk 2024, Bitgert fundamentally is supposed to for the most part arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.27, which generally is genuinely critical. The Brise cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.31 with the especially normal cost around $0.00 in an unpretentious manner. Brise value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Bitgert basically is determined to really be at around a truly least worth of $0.09, so Brise value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Bitgert by and large is gauged to basically be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $0.09 in an especially significant manner. The Bitgert value worth can truly arrive at a sort of limit of $0.32 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.00 in est in an extremely significant way. Bitgert Brise value expectation May 2024. The cost for Bitgert in May 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.31 and $0.33, or so they sort of thought. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.32, which especially is genuinely huge. Bitgert Brise value estimate June 2024. The Bitgert Brise cost for June 2024 may basically arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.31, while the greatest gauge cost fundamentally is around $0.35, which by and large is genuinely critical. The by and large normal cost for Brise sort of is explicitly anticipated to basically reach $0.32 in June 2024. For the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the truly most extreme cost for Bitgert could fundamentally stretch around $0.37. Besides, the minimum cost of Brise in July 2024 in every practical sense is $0.32 with an essentially normal cost of $0.33, showing the way that the Bitgert value worth can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $0.32 with the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.00 in est in a huge way. Brise value estimate August 2024. The Bitgert figure for August 2024 expects that the Brise may especially arrive at a greatest worth of $0.38 with a truly least cost of around $0.33, which most certainly is genuinely huge. Discussing the by and large normal value Brise can generally stretch around $0.34 for August, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitgert value conjecture September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Bitgert especially is supposed to be at around at least $0.34, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Bitgert cost can sort of arrive at a really limit of $0.23 with the very normal cost of $0.35 in est amazingly. Bitgert value expectation October 2024. Bitgert cost by and large is supposed to generally reach between $35 to $41 in October 2024, while the in every practical sense normal cost of Brise for the October most certainly remains around $1 in the 36 Brise value gauge November 2024. The Bitgert conjecture for November 2024 expects that the Brise might arrive at an exceptionally greatest worth of $43, with a truly least cost of around $36, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Discussing the kind of typical value Brise can truly stretch around $37 for November in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert value expectation December 2024. Bitgert cost in every practical sense is supposed to reach between $37 to $44 in December 2024, while the genuinely normal cost of Brise for the December explicitly remains around $10 at Bitgert pretty past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto fundamentally has been somewhat diminished by 539% in its certainly current worth, which basically shows that starting around 17 walk 2024 Bitgert for the most part is exchanging at $1 in term of its host rate, with the value change of 138% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that we especially look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap fundamentally is likewise down, showing how Bitgert value figure. September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Bitgert explicitly is supposed to basically be at around at least $34, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitgert generally is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with, in every practical sense, other crypto coins, which really shows that Bitgert for the most part is confronting a by and large tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins, which sort of is genuinely huge. The Brise truly is down to nearly 22.81% in the very most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for commonly past essentially couple of days. The coin could, in every practical sense, have serious areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't actually feel that it would a productive resource in most certainly present moment, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitgert value estimate 2024 facts. What will in a real sense be Bitgert extremely worth in 2024, which sort of is very huge. The Brise cost in a real sense is estimated to arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $44 with least cost of $37 toward the finish of 2024, showing the way that Bitgert cost can explicitly arrive at a fundamentally limit of $4 with a very normal cost of $35 in a significant way. Does Bitgert truly have a future, or so they truly thought? As far as value, Bitgert certainly has a remarkable really potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, which sort of is very huge. It certainly is conjecture that Brise will increment in esteem, showing how Bitgert value estimate 2024 facts. What will in every practical sense be Bitgert certainly worth in 2024 in an exceptionally enormous manner. As indicated by unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Bitgert can in every practical